God dang. Yo, chill! Super! At the freaking drum. Yo, what's up, dog? What is up, y'all? We're going to meet up with the boy freaking on the Grom right now. We got a little bit of a break in the rain, so you already know that we're gonna go try to ride with the boys a little bit, or with the boy. This is actually my only second time ever seeing this dude in person. We freaking message a lot on Instagram because we're always trying to like coordinate times to ride, but now we're actually riding. I met him once at the freaking Porsche Cars and Coffee a little while ago, a long while ago actually, but now we're actually gonna go ride. I don't know where we're gonna go yet, but we shall see. What up, bruh?
I want an MT so bad.
Bro, get one. It's so fun.
I need one.
If you're trying to do any kind of stunning, it's so fun.
So like stupid.
Bro, I know. Yesterday I was riding and it was like all the roads were wet, but I was just freaking. I was in second gear and I was just dumping the clutch and doing like a freaking burnout.
Yeah. I can get this up in first gear barely.
All right, let's see it, bro. I haven't even seen the Grom yet.
Yeah, it's alright. It's pretty flat. But
I mean, I like the purple low-key.
yeah.
Sounds like a dang fart can. Heck yeah, bro. A little stretch Grom action. You know that guy? Oh, I saw him at Walmart the other day. Yo, what's up, dog?
What's up, man?
I think I saw you at Walmart the other day.
Probably.
That's sick, bro. What is it? 600?
750.
Hell yeah. Where you headed to?
We're going to the mall.
We're going to...
The mall?
Yeah.
You want to follow up?
Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Just like that. And then we got Jigsaw Boy here on his, he said 06 with an 08 headlight. Yeah, I knew I didn't recognize that headlight because they didn't put those onto the later models, but he said 06 and I was like, huh? I'm surprised I can still hear that Grom over this thing, but it is pretty loud. I love blondes on the helmet. I gotta give me one of thems. That thing is such a meme, bro. I love it. Whee! That's so funny. We just picked up a random Jigsaw rider. I literally parked next to him at Walmart the other night. Literally like yesterday. Is bro topped out right now? Pretty much. Oh no, he got fifth. He got fifth. Now he's pretty much topped out. Yeah. Dude. Oh, it's raining a little bit. God dang it. Keep my crap clean. Sucking all my wheelies today. God dang it, why'd it have to start raining? Thought we were clear for the day. Nah, we ain't finna be clear for this whole goddamn month, pretty much. I ain't gonna lie, I think it's pretty clean. We got the Pro Taper bars on there and stuff. The freaking, I mean, the stretch is obviously not clean, but he didn't put the stretch on there. He bought it like that. But yeah, the purple fairings and the Pro Taper bars, bro, looks pretty good. Stoppy. Nope. I was waiting for that.
That's all I got.
Bro, why did it have to start raining?
Yeah, right now.
Whatever. I'm just glad to be riding. It's raining for the next like 3 weeks.
At home.
Do what?
I was at my swing arm. It's at home. I was having put it on.
Bro, what you doing? I got tools at the house if you ever need help putting it on, bro.
I'll bring it over one day.
Alright, bet. We got freaking stands and tools and straps. Yeah. Sorry, boys. Didn't mean to lose y'all. I know that Jigsaw dude is cold. He's got a t-shirt on and it just started raining, bro. Frick no. What are you wearing, bro?
It's gay as fuck.
What up, bro?
Everyone's waving at me and shit. I feel so good. I'm on the road, people are like pointing at me, waving at me and shit. I'm like,
Bro's a fuzzy helmet rider, but worse. What's up, dog? At the freaking Grom. The clutch is absolutely terrible, bro. At least your brakes work. What the frick, bro? The stretch, Grom. God, this clutch is so bad. Ow! Frick, I keep forgetting I have to use my whole hand. I wonder if I can wheelie this. I can't even pop the clutch to do a wheelie. Bro, I can't even pop the clutch to do a wheelie.
it's so bad.
That's funny. Four-wheeler bros out today too. God, that's so loud, bro.
So loud. I hate that. All my fault. I got pipes coming in a week.
You better, bro. Holy crap. Whee! Oh, what a nice little road. God, that thing is friggin' loud as balls, bro. Yo, 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 yo. Haha. Doing. Woo! Oh! Super. By my other stunter boy. He said he was up here somewhere at this lot. Don't know which one, because there's so many freaking warehouses around here, bro. God dang. Guessing it's gonna be one of these or something. Yeah, there he is. Can I get through over here? Yes, sir. Bro invited me out. Drove 30 minutes to be here. Hey, it's a good lot though. Sheesh. What's going on, dog? Dang, bro, you got the whole build done?
Almost.
Handbrake is crazy. Is that the Magura?
Yeah, I just got that on. Actually, that's the old setup from the 636.
Okay, I was about to say. Sheesh.
Almost there. Turn the tank in probably.
Bro's freaking goated with the sauce. Going way too fast. Dude, I need some new gloves. My finger's poking through. Getting the good tips. Good tips from Mr. Cloudy. Bro's freaking goated with those knee knockers. Gotta go slower. Maybe I'll try a knee knocker. Never get down a first gear knee knocker before. God, bro, see how high he freaking gets it right off the rip. What up, y'all? You already know we're heading to Athens on this beautiful Saturday night, bro, because it's the first semester back, I think, and they finna be popping, hopefully. Got me and the boy on the other FZ back there. Got my purple Tron lights on my wheels. I actually got them secured correctly this time so they don't freaking fall off, bruh. Bro didn't even wave. Yo, chill! Bro, I'm about to get hit by a cop. Yeah, we popping. Hey, we got a biker up here, bro. Where are we trying to park? What the heck? God dang. Dang, bro, it is popping at night. Holy crap. Got a little CBR right there. Yo, I know him! I know him! Got the bikes booted up, bro. Look at that time. It's almost 2 a.m. What are we doing? Whatever. It was fun. Fun night, fun night. Oh my god. Big old truck. Well, boys, we're getting pulled over. All right. What's going on, sir?
Blue lights.
No blue lights?
Yeah, no blue lights.
Just shut them off? All right.
Yankee, Romeo. Let me get your ID.
Yes, sir.
Change it to a different color. White, red,
I got you.
green.
There's the idea.
Just can't have blue.
Yes, sir.
You got a motorcycle permit or motorcycle license?
I got a permit right here.
You ain't supposed to be driving at nighttime.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can't drive it at nighttime.
No nighttime? Oh, I didn't know that, man.
Passengers, no nighttime.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Until you go do the skills test.
All right, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I didn't know about that, actually.
Give me a second.
Yes, sir. Bruh, freaking no blue lights.